Where am I going? That is a good question. Somewhere this should lead back to the paved road, to that R25 I think it is. Good morning internet, it is 7 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. It is now still pretty nice weather. I think today is going to be very hot again. Yesterday it was around 30 degrees Celsius. So I thought let's leave early in the morning when it's still kind of nice and fresh. Let me quickly show you where I'm gonna go today, more or less. I got a new map of South Africa and I indicated the border, so it's a little bit more clear. And then here you have Swaziland, although now that's called Eswatini, I think, and Lesotho. And I am here in Johannesburg, so you can see that it is a huge, huge city. And today I am riding to, not on the map, where am I going to? I'm going to close to Loskop Dam over here. I don't know if you can see it. And so from Johannesburg, with the route that I am thinking to take to here is about 210, 220 kilometers, I think. So I'm just gonna start out easy today. I thought I shouldn't plan like 400 kilometers on dirt roads on the first day. So I'm just going to take it easy. I should be easily able to make that. Before I leave Johannesburg though, I'm going to ride a little bit more into the city because now I've barely seen anything of it. So I'm going to see a little bit more of Johannesburg and then I'm quickly gonna leave this huge, huge city and then go more into the countryside. So let's go. Okay. Left, right on the left. Can't see anything in this mirror. Perfect. So I'm now riding actually south into Johannesburg a little bit. Getting closer to the center. I think it's red. Is he just dropping the red light? This one also. Okay. We're not waiting here. Right then. Behind me they're also riding. I don't know. Do as the locals do. That's what I usually try. What an enormous city, hey? Gigantic. First National Bank. I'm not sure if now I am in the bus lane or not. Am I supposed to ride here? I have no idea. See, so my navigation, I think it means that I still have at least 12 kilometers through the city before I have to take a left turn. I mean, I'm not sure how big Johannesburg is if you would measure it like north to south or east to west, how many kilometers. But it's a lot. There's some markets here. Well, you can see the buildings are getting lower and lower, so I think I'm getting closer to the outskirts of Johannesburg now. €15.50 for a liter. How much is that? It's less than €1. 80 cents or something. That's not bad. So I'm navigating now on this Garmin GPS. One of my followers has a GPS store in the Netherlands called Mr. GPS, and he sponsored me with this new Zumo XT, which I'm super happy with. It's very nice. It's much better than the one I had previously. That before I had the Zumo 396. This is definitely an upgrade, and I just downloaded OpenStreetMaps on it. So I put the map of South Africa, OpenStreetMaps on it, and that's it. Works really nicely. So now I plotted my route in the GPS, my planned route, and it's 183 kilometers to go, and it should be unpaved at some point as well. I could ride paved all the way, but obviously I don't want to. So somewhere along the way I will go a little bit off-road and then head back to the paved road. Let's take a small break here. I need to start drinking water because dehydration is real. Woo, because temperatures are rising. And so I got this hydration pack. It has 3 liters, which is quite good. I will learn how to drink while riding, but for now I'm just gonna stop. I don't really like riding with a hydration pack because it's quite some weight on your back. But I feel like here I really should do that, because otherwise you're just not drinking enough. So, but I'm now outside of Johannesburg, as you can see. This is, I think, a provincial road. It's the R25. So it's still paved and everybody's riding like 100 kilometers an hour here. So I'll follow this road for a little bit, and then somewhere I'm going to hit a dirt road. Woohoo! Let's continue. Before I'm boiling up here. Boiling up, is that a word? Oh, oops. Alright then. It's time to hit some dirt. Let's see how my new friend does on dirt. Oh. Ooh, this is going to be a dusty affair. I'll see how it goes. Maybe I have to take some air out of the tires, because they're super hard at the moment. Alright, little hill climb here. Piece of cake. Every now and then there are some rougher sections with a lot of rocks. Nothing we cannot pass. It's really quite hilly here. So amazing. It's nice and rocky over here. Luckily I have good ground clearance. Woo! I am loving this track. Oh, look at that. I think, well, on the GoPro it will definitely be too far away, but behind those trees there I see a big lake. So that actually might be that Loskop Dam with the lake. I actually don't know if I'll get any closer and have a better view, but I think it's right there. Well, it's quite a big town here. Not sure the name. I think it's a very long, difficult to pronounce name. Well, I guess if it rains here, these roads would become really challenging. Oh. Where am I going? That is a good question. Somewhere this should lead back to the paved road, to that R25 I think it is. Hey goats. Oh hi. Hi. Ah, here it is. Although this is not the main road yet, but it is already paved. Guinea Feather. This is where I'm going to stay. Bed and breakfast. Let me see, I'm here. Rooms. Wow, this looks amazing. Reception. Whew. I'm here. First day done. Whew. The lady just told me they will give me the best room they have. What luck. What luck. Oh, okay, thank you so much.
Okay, just have to wait, just double check the room those you are supposed
okay.
to.
Alright, thanks. Alright. I don't know what it was, but so last night I booked this place And I obviously booked the cheapest room, and I don't know what it was, maybe my sweaty face when I came in, but the owner immediately said, we'll give you the best room we have. And now it turns out they gave me the honeymoon suite. Look how big this room is, look. This is the bedroom. Here I have a small kitchen, TV, let me see, oh, fireplace. What's here? Oh, look at this. Wow. This is amazing. And look, I have an outdoor shower. Oh wow. This might compete for the best place I ever stayed at. Look. This is outside. Awesome. Okay. So that was the honeymoon suite. My food arrived. I ordered bobotie, which is a South African dish. Obviously I'm going to try to eat as much local foods as I can and try everything out. I have eaten bobotie before, but that was in the Netherlands, so that doesn't really count. So let's have a look. So it's some rice, and then I don't really know what this is. And then this is kind of, it looks a little bit like a meat pie. Wow. The spices are fantastic. Let's see what this is. Some fluffy, I don't really know what it is, but oh, this is yummy, yummy, yummy. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next video.